Dismounting the packer plow. After the snow operation is over, you'll be putting your plow with the same style and size plow in the yard where it belongs. With the plow blade facing straight ahead, pull about 2 feet from the plow in front of you. Let the plow down completely. Put your truck in neutral, put the brakes on, turn the key to auxiliary power, and push the plow controls to relieve the extra air pressure from the hydraulic lines. Safely exit your vehicle. Use gloves to protect your hands as it will be cold and wet. Disconnect the first hydraulic hose from the truck. Tap it on the plow to release any extra air pressure. Disconnect the second hose in the same way. Reconnect the snowplow hose to each other on your plow to keep out dirt, snow, and ice. Reach over from the driver's side only and pull the spring handle to disconnect the plow from the truck. There is a small hook to attach the handle to. Safely enter the truck, start the vehicle. As you back away from the plow, push the down button to make sure that the plow and the ram disconnect properly. Be sure to release the spring handle after dismounting the blade so it doesn't surprise the next driver doing his pre-trip.